Hi, my name is Timo from TCK Solar. In this video I want to talk about converting from gas heating over to electric heating. Historically, most buildings in Melbourne have gas heating. Gas ducted is, I guess, the most common one. Some got individual gas units or gas heaters somewhere. And changing a central heating solution over to an electric solution is not that easy, but there are several options available. The easiest one to change a ducted gas heating solution over to an electric one is install split systems. Split systems have come a long way. They used to be very inefficient and very noisy, and that has changed a lot. Efficiencies are good, noise is down a long way. Only if you've got very big air conditioners, the outdoor unit sometimes is quite noisy. So when we look at efficiency, an air conditioner is like a heat pump. And that means you feed it electricity and then it uses the ambient air, and together it creates heating and cooling for your place. So commonly you have air conditioners in the range of 3 to 5. So a coefficient of performance, short COP, of 3 to 5. So 3 means 1 kilowatt of electricity in and you get 3 out. If you have a COP of 5, you put 1 kilowatt of electricity in, you get 5 out. So there's no losses, there's only gain. So the higher the COP, of course, the better. What you notice with air conditioners, if you go for large air conditioners, the efficiency drops significantly. So with that in mind, I often recommend go with slightly smaller air conditioners which run on a much higher efficiency, and then it might take a little longer to heat or cool your place, but it runs on a much lower electricity need. When it comes to heating, there are electric panel heaters. They are fairly inexpensive to purchase, they're fairly inexpensive to install, but electric panel heaters or electric floor heating are in the exact same boat. You put 1 kilowatt of electricity in and you get 1 out in heat. There is no magic what heat pumps do. So they are the most expensive way to heat your place because electricity is expensive, and if you are not multiplying the efficiency, then it is expensive to run. And then there's hydronic heating. Some houses have already hydronic heating with gas, and now they want to convert to a heat pump to heat the hot water, which is then pumped around the house. A fantastic solution. It's passive heat, nothing is blowing at you, and no dust is flying around. However, it is the most expensive way of heating a house. If it is a retrofit with all the radiators and all the pipe, it's of course the most expensive, but even converting a gas hydronic system into a heat pump hydronic system, you're quickly looking at $20,000 to $25,000 depending on the size of your place. If you have any other questions in relation to that, please reach out to us. We're happy to explain this in more detail. Thank you.